If you have sensitive skin, it's essential to choose skincare products and treatments that are gentle and non-irritating. Look for products that are hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and free of harsh chemicals. When treating sensitive skin, opt for skincare products with soothing ingredients like aloe vera, chamomile, and oat extract. Avoid products with alcohol, exfoliating acids, or other potentially irritating ingredients. Incorporating a calming face mask into your skincare routine can also help soothe sensitive skin. Remember to always patch test new products before applying them to your face to prevent allergic reactions or irritation. If you have persistent skin sensitivity, consult a dermatologist for personalized treatment options.